Some products deserve a prominent spot on your lister pages. They might not turn up on top because of certain sorting methods. Visual merchandising is there to help. This module lets you manually push products to the top in a category in a simple way. Navigate to Merchandising and click Visual Merchandising. Click the button to start. First, we're going to select a category in which the visual merchandising should be active. Next, we'll select the products that we want to place at the top of the category. You can edit the order, but it's not possible to have gaps in the visual merchandising setup. You can add many products to visual merchandising. Once you've filled the 10 positions, the layout of the page will change. Be careful not to add too many products, though. The power of Tweakwise Navigator lies within the automatic sorting and algorithms. Overusing the visual merchandising will bypass this and cause your product list to be static rather than dynamic. Best practice would be to fill a maximum of the first 2 rows in the category using visual merchandising and let Navigator do the rest. Save the setup once you're satisfied with it. Now, the order that you used in the setup is the order in which the products will be placed in the category. You probably don't want these products to be on top with every sorting method. For example, when your customers sort a category on price descending. You can prevent this from happening by checking a box in your sorting options. Go to the sorting options and open an option. If the checkbox at the bottom is checked, visual merchandising products will turn up at the top of the list. If it's not, the products from visual merchandising will be positioned using the sorting option, so the visual merchandising will not be active. You need to set up visual merchandising for each category that you want to use it in. There is no inheritance from parent categories. This means that you will have to create many of them when you have shops in multiple languages or an otherwise large number of categories. Note that you need to remove a product from visual merchandising if you want to remove it from its fixed position on your lister page. You can check whether the visual merchandising is doing its job in the demo shop. The products will have a visual merchandising tag. Remember, this only works after you've run a publish task. Visual merchandising only allows you to push certain products in the end. If you want to push products using various recommendations and make your lister page more dynamic, use the more advanced personal merchandising module. You will learn how to use it in the next video.